Hello everyone, I want to present you the best website possible. This website will help you a lot. And you will no longer have problem with Pokemon Go other apps using your device location. You don't need any mod, just this. I present to you the website WooTechy. And the latest application iMoveGo. This app is available for Android and iOS devices. And allows you to change your location and fake GPS. This helps you catch Pokemon quickly and legally without the need for mods or codes. In the video description and comments, you can find a link to this website. In this video, I will demonstrate the simple functioning of this application, but before you start, you need to install it first. Install and open the application. Insert the USB cable into your computer or laptop and connect it to your phone. Please provide the specific requirements. For connecting your devices, the conditions are displayed on the screen for each device you use. I'm currently using iOS. When you connect, a map like this will open, then enter into your Pokemon Go game and launch it. Now I'm going to show you what you can do with this application. I'm impressed. You can go anywhere in the world as if your phone is there. This is incredible. I teleported at the speed of light. You can use this application for other applications, not only for Pokemon Go. You can see it all on the website. In the application there are tools such as the Joystick that I am using now. It allows me to move around the map and at the same time I am also moving in the game. You can do many more things in the application. I suggest you install it yourself and see for yourself in this application. You can even set the speed, how fast you will go. The application is excellent. Install it as soon as possible to catch as many Pokemon as possible. When you install the application, you will have a trial period to test it. If you like it, you can subscribe like me and unlock even more new possibilities. You can find various applications and tools on the WooTechy website. I recommend you check out this fantastic collection and take advantage of all these helpful resources. I hope you enjoy this experience. You can find all the links in the description of the clip. Hello, everyone, and stay tuned for the next video. Your PeyPall.